Follow these easy steps to withdraw your crypto balance on the GICTrade apps. 1. Open the GICTrade application. 2. Navigate to the Withdraw or Wallet menu. 3. Select GICT Wallet as your source of funds. 4. Choose USDT as the cryptocurrency for withdrawal. GIC will automatically convert GICT to USDT for you. 5. Choose for crypto address as your withdrawal method. 6. Enter your destination crypto address using a saved address if available. For first-time withdrawals, ensure you use the address initially provided when you make a deposit. 7. Choose BEP20 for network compatibility. 8. Insert the desired GICT amount and view your estimated USDT total. 9. Proceed by clicking Withdraw Crypto. Enter the verification code sent to your registered email and complete the two-factor authentication process. 11th. Click Next to initiate processing. If withdrawals exceed 1,000 GICT in a single day, our team will manually validate the transaction for added security. Download the GICTrade app now and step into a new era of trading.